if you have a musical talent, you need to get on YouTube, okay? Especially if you are really good, okay? There is absolutely no reason whatsoever. There is no logical reason whatsoever, if you have a musical talent, for you to not be showcasing it on YouTube, because you have money to be made there in more than just one way, okay? The YouTube partner program, right? That's a way to make money, right? You can make money with your musical talent from selling a digital product, right? That you either created yourself, or you can sell one that somebody else already created, right? And you can make money from physical products too, right? Whatever instrument it is that you have or that you use with your musical talent, whatever instrument that is a physical product that you can promote in your YouTube videos that will allow you to make some money as well, okay? Now, if you don't have a musical talent and maybe there is an instrument or something that you would have wanted to learn how to play, and even if you do have a talent and you're not necessarily very good, right? You can make use of this too and make some money, right? And I'll use myself as an example, because there is a musical instrument, right? I have a little bit of a musical talent, right? That I've not monetized at all, right? Which I really should be, right? I have, so in my case, it's the piano, right? I like to play the piano. I also like to play the guitar, right? But I'm not necessarily that good at the guitar at all, really. I'm a much better piano player. Let's just put it that way, okay? And so this is where I was going with that in terms of, even if you're not very good. If you're not very good and you would like to get better, or if you don't know how to play any musical instrument, you don't have any musical talent at all, and you would like to have one, this can work in your favor too, right? You should still get on YouTube and showcase yourself learning your new musical talent that you want to learn, or learning how to play whatever instrument it is that you want to learn how to play. Show yourself on YouTube progressing, right? Gradually, right? You can see your progress. You can document your progress, right? And believe me, at least I think so, because I shouldn't say this as if I've done it before, right? But it is my inclination to think that you will accumulate subscribers, views on YouTube over time, right? People will grow to like you. And bear in mind, you can do this faceless as well. If you don't want to show your face on camera, you can do it as a faceless musical channel. But if you want people to connect with you, or, you know, share your wins and pain points of how you're struggling, if you're not able to pick up a particular skill or something, people will connect with you a lot more if you do it face forward, where you show your face and they know who you are as an individual, or like they can connect the face with the name, right? So that's definitely something that you should consider, okay? And I'm going to be doing this, okay? I'm going to be doing this, and I'll be showcasing myself doing this, and see how it turns out, because I've never done this before, right? So I don't know how it's going to turn out. So I'm not sitting here and trying to preach as a guru that has done this, right, successfully, right? I'm doing it more from the standpoint of, I don't know, more like a journalist, and experimenting and seeing how it goes, right? But what I do know is that, for a fact, is that I see other people on YouTube who have channels that are monetized. They're making money from the channel being monetized. They're making money from their own product that they have created, their own digital product that they've created and sell, making money from that. Okay, now of course with something like that, you have to actually be, you have to be good, right? You have to be an authority, or you have to be good enough to where you have enough of a talent to teach somebody else, right? But like I said, even if you're not, you can do this as an affiliate, where you don't have your own product, you're promoting somebody else's product, which is how I'm going to be doing it, okay? And I'm actually going to show you the channel that I'm going to be doing this on, right? I created a channel so many years ago to actually do this thing that I'm starting to do right now. and I never, I just never followed through with it. Like, it's crazy. And while I'm here with you, I'm actually going to go look to see. I'm now curious to see when actually I created that channel, because I don't even remember when I created, but I did it so long ago. And talk about procrastination being, the thief of time. It's actually pretty sad, pretty bad when I think about how long it's been. And I'm going to go find out, right? I know it's been a while. I'm going to do it live together with you here on the channel. So it just hit me. But so what is my instrument of choice? It is, I'm going to be doing this with the piano, depending on how that goes, maybe, right? I might also like pick up a guitar as well and try to start doing the same thing, but I don't want to overwhelm myself. I'll just start small, right? I'll start with this. Okay. And, let me show you the channel, right? The channel that I'm going to be doing this on, so that if you want to follow along and see how it goes, maybe I'm cheating a little bit here, because maybe people who watch this video might go subscribe to that video if they're interested. I don't know, but, either way, I'm doing this to at least show you how it can be done, right? Show you how to do it if it's something you decide to do. Okay. So first and foremost, with YouTube, right? The money that you would, there's money to be made with YouTube through the YouTube Partner Program. So if you don't know, in order to join the YouTube Partner Program, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time, right, in the previous 12 months, or 10 million shorts views, right, in the previous 90 days. Okay. And now, why do I bring this up is because I know that a lot of the videos that I feel like the majority of the videos I'm going to be creating are probably going to be shorts. I might do some long, no, in fact, I'll do both. I'll do a combination of both. So, like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing here, so I'm going to be experimenting with both and seeing how things go, right? I do have, I shouldn't say I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, I do have some, I do have a little bit of experience from my, you've seen this YouTube channel. I've had it since, I think May 1st of 2023 or so, but I've been posting on it since July. So I've learned quite a bit since then, right? And I have done stuff with other YouTube channels in the past prior to this, so it's not like I'm completely brand new. But, what I will be doing, when it comes to like the shorts have this feature that's, they allow you to put in a related video. Okay, they allow you to put in a related video that when people watch your shorts, they can click on that related video and it will take them to another short if that's what you choose to put in there, or it will take you to your long form video. Okay, and so I'm going to be using that feature to take people from my shorts to watch like maybe my long form videos. Okay. Why am I doing this? The reason I'm doing this is because what I do know is that it is easier to accumulate views and subscribers through shorts. Okay. Those are easier to pick up. So the audience that I'm going to be building is probably going to be a lot of shorts viewers, right? Maybe how well that translates to long form viewers I don't necessarily know how that's going to go. But it might work just because these are going to be people, hopefully, that are interested in piano related stuff, and learning how to play the piano themselves, perhaps. Who knows? I don't know. Okay. So you have the potential to make money from the YouTube Partner Program. And then secondly, selling digital products, which is what I'll be doing as well. Okay. There is a place called clickbank.com. Okay. That is like, probably my favorite affiliate network, right? It's an affiliate, it's an online marketplace. They sell predominantly digital products. They do have a few physical products as well that they sell on there, but it is a premier place for affiliates to go promote products, right? And there is a piano product on there that I will be promoting, right? There is a piano product, and I will show you exactly what that one is. So when you come to clickbank.com, as you can see here on screen, you're going to need to sign up for an account so that you can become an affiliate if you want to do the same thing here that I'm doing. And this doesn't apply just to piano, right? You can go find products. I've seen one like the ukulele. I'm sure they have some guitar product. There's all whatever instrument there is. Find one. And clickbank is not necessarily the only affiliate platform. There can be places, whatever your interest is in. Just Google that interest plus affiliate program, right? And you might find something outside of ClickBank. Another really good place is a place called digistore24.com. That's another good place, especially for those who reside in countries that maybe ClickBank does not necessarily support, right? So once you come into ClickBank and you go to the ClickBank marketplace, this is what the ClickBank marketplace looks like, okay? So this is what it looks like right here. They have different categories of different things, and the particular product that I'm looking to promote is under the arts and entertainment, okay? And it is, it looks like I've been logged out. Okay. All right. Anyway, it's going to be under here. Fortunately, I already pulled up the page. It would have been under arts and entertainment, and you look it up, it'll probably be probably the top product under that category. And it's a product called Piano for All. Okay, so this is it right here. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is the sales page of the product that I'm essentially going to be learning from and also promoting. So you get to make money from the YouTube Partner Program once you eventually get to that point where you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. And then you have a link, your affiliate link in the description of your video to this particular product, right? To this particular product that people who are interested in, people who watch, videos of you playing the piano are likely going to be people who either enjoy listening to piano music or and there's going to be a good probability that the people watching that, amongst them, there's going to be people who might be interested in learning how to play the piano too. If they enjoy it and you let them know that, hey, you too could learn how to play, that might be something that might trigger their curiosity and get their interest, and they might end up purchasing. Okay. So this is something that I'm going to be doing, right? So I will be an affiliate for this product. So if you don't know, basically an affiliate marketing is essentially a simple business model in which you can promote other people's or other businesses, products and services, and every time you generate sales for them, you get a commission. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So if this product is I believe $37 or $39, whatever. Let's see. If we scroll down, I'm sure it's going to be down there somewhere. Come on. Pricing, order. Okay, so if I wanted to buy it, I just click on pricing and order. And let's see, pricing. So it's $49. Okay, so one-time payment of $49. And as an affiliate, I would probably make 70 or some percentage of that. Again, these products, they have their affiliate pages. Like if you scroll down to the bottom, maybe it might be there. Yes, affiliate program. Okay, so you scroll down. All right, my face is blocking it. So if you click on that affiliate program, it will take you to this page right here where you can get an idea of all the different things, how much they pay, right? So this is all this. Oh, okay, so 60% in commissions on all sales, right? So if you generate a sale, they will pay you 60% of 60% of the sale. Okay, so these are examples here of how much you can make. Okay, so for piano for all version $49, you would make approximately 20 cents. So it's essentially $27 after ClickBank takes their fees, right? And then they have an upsell as well for learning how to play by ear. That's another $27. So let's just say you make one sale per day, you'd make $110 per month, $9,720 per year. Okay, so you can see all the different scenarios there, right? 5 sales per day, 10 sales per day. That's a pretty decent income right there. Okay, but anyway, if you don't know how to play the piano and you would want to learn how to play the piano, well, guess what? This is a product that you can purchase to start teaching you how to play the piano. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to put my affiliate link for this particular product in the description below this video so that if you are interested in learning how to play the piano, you can purchase the product. I would make a commission. All right, see how that works? But I'm going to have an entire channel dedicated to that. If you're interested, I'll show you. I'll show you the channel that I create. Oh, by the way, we do need to take a look, because remember I was saying how sad it is how long ago I created this channel and I hadn't done anything with it, right? So this is the channel. So the product is called Piano for All. This is the name of the product, right? So this is, so Piano for All, the incredible new way to learn piano. It's a digital product, right? It's something that you get an instant download, right? And I went ahead and fortunately for me, the domain name was available, Learning Piano for All. So I went and got something like that, right? I just added Learning Piano for All. I had the domain name for that. I created a channel around it. So this is the channel. You can go look it up. Be my first subscriber if you want to. But this is it, right? So Learning Piano for All, and I'm going to start posting videos of myself playing the piano on this on this channel right here, with the skills that I already do have, and then the ones that I want to improve and get better on, right? And learn how to play the other types of piano. Like I've always wanted to learn how to play jazz piano, something that I've always wanted, but I've just never done it. Okay, so let's go to, I remember I was saying, let's see, when did I create this channel? Let's see how long. I even got my little description in there. Jeez. Okay, May 15th of 2021. That's sad. Like, that is sad. Like, May 15th of 2021, and this is what we're coming up. This is 2025. That's how long I, talk about procrastinating, pushing stuff behind. Like, that is really bad. Don't be like me. If you have the skill, if you have a talent, you have something there. If you have there's people out there that want to hear you. They want to hear your music, right? You're depriving the world of your ability and your talent, okay? And if not, you're depriving other people the inspiration they would get from you learning how to play an instrument or develop a musical talent, right? Especially if it's something that they want to do as well. So get on YouTube and start posting, showcasing yourself, either with your excellent, great talent that you already have, or your talent that you're trying to, or the skill that you're trying to learn and build and all that type of stuff. Okay? So that's it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you would like to learn how to promote digital products, right, like I'm doing right here, check out the first link in the description below this video. It will take you to a page where you will get access to training that will teach you the fundamentals and teach you how to get going doing that type of stuff, right? Doing affiliate marketing and promoting digital products, right? The one thing I did forget to mention, the physical product part, I need to add this, right? You can also make money from as on top of like the money you would make from YouTube and the YouTube Partner Program, and then having your link in the description, making sales, digital product sales of this product that I mentioned that you would be learning from. You can also put an affiliate link to the actual instrument that you're using, right? So you can tell people that, hey, this is the instrument that I'm using. If you want to get the same one, you can get it from here, from Amazon where I bought it, or from Target, whatever place that you got it from. If they don't have an affiliate program, well, chances are Amazon might have the same product, right? So go get, set up with Amazon. I actually have a video series, I believe, that I'll probably try to link below of getting started with Amazon and all that type of stuff, right? And you can have a link to your Amazon, to the equipment that you're using to learn or to play or perform with whatever musical instrument or that you are using, right? Put that in the description, and that's another source of income, okay? So that's that. I think I covered it all. Just wanted to make sure I didn't forget anything. But anyway, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. Like I said, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, put it in the comment section below. If you want to learn how to do all this stuff, first link in the description below, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.